Every business has a destination, and behind every successful journey, there's a supply chain that moves with precision. For 75 years, Kenco has been helping businesses move forward.
And we have about 8,000 employees and about 150 sites, closing in on a $2 billion organization.
Designing integrated logistics solutions that go beyond delivery, from distribution and e-commerce fulfillment to transportation management, material handling, and customized supply chain solutions. Everything built around one principle: operational excellence.
And we service a lot of Fortune 500 companies across the United States and Canada and Mexico.
At Kenco, the focus has always been clear. Understand each customer's unique needs, adapt to change, and deliver solutions that scale as businesses grow. Because in a world that never slows down, logistics must stay connected, responsive, and resilient.
What problems we were trying to solve was really twofold. One, there's the automation piece, and then two, there is the AI piece. The automation piece, obviously, as the world continues to go down the path, we're having less resources, we're having less labor, wage inflation is going up. In the distribution environment, 70% of a picker's time is travel distance, so we're trying to automate that with the bots that GreyOrange provides. But then from an orchestration perspective, we're trying to solve how much more complex the order pattern is getting, and then how that links into the automation, the physical automation through the GreyMatter package.
GreyOrange brought to the table was really that platform that allows us to make the humans and the bots and the technology and even the RF guns all work together in a very orchestrated and seamless fashion.
GreyOrange brings AI-powered orchestration to the heart of fulfillment through GreyMatter, a software platform that thinks, learns, and acts in real time.
Workflow goes, we receive trucks on the inbound side. The trucks get unloaded and it gets received into the system. Once it's put away, then we do what we call replenishment. Replenishment means we take the product from the racks into the pick fronts of the warehouse. Right after that, we get the orders from the WMS system. Then it turns into a GreyMatter order. GreyMatter does a good job on palletizing the workload. It takes into consideration the weight balance of the product, right? We have 4 product groups here, starting with cans, bales, treats, and bags. So it knows what the heaviest item is for that item to go at the bottom of the pallet, and then it starts building the pallet up. And it's also taking into consideration our customer requirements, which is a high max, and it doesn't exceed that maximum. So every time our pickers are picking and it gets to that maximum, you'll stop the mission and then it starts another pallet.
We do go to our location and we get our device, we log in, our robots start moving, they flow, and as soon as they start flowing to the pallet mat, it goes from the pallet mat to the locations out there, and we'll get on our screen and they'll tell us where to go as well.
And then they go into that location and the system will tell them what to pick and what quantity to pick. After they get that mission, they go and they pick it into the pallet. The pallet will then be transferred by the bot into our SDP locations on the left drop or right drop of the warehouse.
A unified digital brain that combines advanced AI-driven orchestration with intelligent automation technology into one seamless platform.
How the market's dynamically changing, and we're going to need an AI-driven package, and GreyOrange actually does that very well. Other providers that we looked at may have had the technology without the AI-driven orchestration piece, or they could have had the technology without the automation piece. Well, GreyOrange has both, and they're able to kind of link up very well together with a very ease of implementation.
With real-time visibility and continuous optimization, operations become faster, safer, and more efficient, reducing cost, eliminating lost inventory, and improving productivity at every level.
One of the other really important capabilities of the GreyMatter platform is allowing us to control multiple processes within the warehouse all at the same time from the same platform, even the same bots if necessary. So we can perform a case pick action, then we can turn right around with the same bot and go do a pallet pick action.
For Kenco, GreyOrange has become a force multiplier, accelerating warehouse performance, unlocking real-time decision-making, and enabling faster, more accurate fulfillment across networks.
One of the main improvements that we observe is our case speaking. Our case speaking has improved dramatically.
Our goal was about 340 cases per hour when we started the project. In some cases, we're hitting north of 400. So that's been really good. And I think overall, we were somewhere around, I want to say 180 cases per hour when we started the project, to now we're almost doubling that in a consistent way. So it's been really, really beneficial. It's been really impactful. And again, it allows us to hire a different skill set from a worker perspective. Before, we'd have to hire a lot more skilled from a material handling equipment, a reach truck driver, which is a completely different skill set. Now we can hire somebody that doesn't have a material handling certification, and they can come in and get integrated in much faster and actually start hitting productivity a lot faster than before.
Across warehouses and omni-channel networks, GreyOrange synchronizes robotic systems, people, and inventory into one intelligent flow.
We're choosing GreyMatter as our orchestration package of choice. So it'll be kind of rolled out organizationally. Even in sites that we may not have automation, we're going to use it to allow it to orchestrate some things that maybe our WMS is not able to do. Like we have a tier 1 WMS, there's obviously gaps there, there's obviously things that we want to improve there. We can layer in GreyMatter on top of that. And like we talked before, it actually helps us tell people where they need to be, when they need to be there. It also helps the operations team at the level that they need to be there to kind of optimize both productivity as well as our service agreements.
Together, Kenco and GreyOrange are redefining what's possible in third-party logistics.
We feel like in 5 years, what we want to do is have technology partnerships that covers the full profile spectrum. What I mean by that is, we know we're going to pick pallets, we know we're going to pick cases, we know we're going to pick eaches. What automation out there allows us to be able to efficiently handle all of that profile spectrum. And then the larger piece is, even though there may be different automation providers, we want that one orchestration package out there. And so whether it's an ASRS or whether it's an RIL bot or whether it's another AMR bot, we want GreyMatter controlling the entire ecosystem, because that's where we feel like we're going to be able to optimize the most.
Experience meets intelligence. Operations become connected. And the future of fulfillment moves forward with confidence.